Welcome back to another new video. So in this video, we're going to solve another problem. Actually, this is a very easy problem in LeetCode I found it. So let's solve this problem using a very easy method. Okay, I hope you read this description in Palindrome Number, and let's solve this. We have this function. I just copied from the LeetCode page here. I console it, like I put a value 1 to 1, and 1 to 1 is a number, but we're gonna split it, we're gonna slice it. So this kind of operation is not suitable on just number. So at first we're gonna convert this number as a string, then we can put all the operation on it. At first I'm gonna make a string here, constant. Okay, I made this as a string statement. I just returned this to show you the result. We are getting result 1 to 1, but that's not our prediction. Now we made this string. We're gonna format it like this, like this. I think this format will be work as well. 1 to 3. You can see that's great. And now let's reverse this. If we took like 1 2 3, you can see what is happening here from dot reverse. Okay, you can see here that the numbers are really splitting and reversing. So let's join this like this, join. Okay, now I think everything is okay. Let's take one more time. 3 to 1. It's totally reversing. Now we're gonna put our statement here to see true or false. We're gonna check a form and a string. This all about the algorithm. This is so easy and so cool. Let's run this. You can see false. If I put 1 to 1 here, this is true. It's very easy. But I solved it because most of the cases some beginners can't solve this, can't figure out what is going on. So that's why I just solved this to improve their thinking ability here. And let's check it first, then we can talk about the time complexity later. If I run this, I hope it should work. Yeah, it worked, and this is the algorithm. And if we talk about the time complexity, actually I told about time complexity in every video, so let's do it. Time complexity will be big of 1. This is constant time. It will take constant time because our single input, and it has no dependency, so definitely big of 1. So this is all about. I hope you understand, and you understand how I solved this very easily using some of significant methods here. I hope you could try by yourself. This would be better for you. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe this channel and like this video as well. And if you have any problem, please comment below. I'll try to solve your problem. See you in the next video with another problem solving. So till then, goodbye.